American companies have enormous purchasing power, large markets, strong currency, global demand influence. But purchasing power alone does not create leverage inside manufacturing ecosystems. Structural integration does, and many American executives unknowingly leave leverage on the table, not because they negotiate poorly, but because they misunderstand how factories allocate priority internally. Today, I want to explain how American leaders can strengthen their leverage in Asian manufacturing calmly, strategically, and without confrontation. Market size versus structural weight. Being from a large economy does not automatically place you at top of a supplier's priority list. Factories think differently. They think in terms of capacity utilization, margin protection, revenue predictability, operational stability. If you represent 7% of factories' revenue, you are important, but not dominant. If you are volatile, changing orders frequently, adjusting forecasts unpredictably, you became risk. Leverage is built when you reduce risk, not when you increase pressure. Predictability creates power. Factories value predictability deeply. Clear forecasting, stable volume, disciplined payment behavior, protection communication rhythm. Predictability reduces internal stress. When factories feel stable working with you, they prioritize you naturally. Not because you demand it, but because you make operations smoother. This is structural power. It is invisible, but extremely strong. Negotiation strategy that builds instead of burns. Aggressive negotiation can win short-term concessions, but excessive compression reduces supplier margin. Reduced margin reduces flexibility. Under pressure, energy spikes. Labor shortages, raw material costs increases. Supplier allocate flexibility to accounts that protect them. Leverage is not about dominating the conversation. It is about maintaining mutual viability. Firm, calm, strategic, not emotional. Cultural intelligence as a multiplier. In many Asian environments, hierarchy and harmony matter. Direct escalation can create friction internally. Strong American executives adjust tone without sacrificing clarity. They escalate privately. They protect dignity. They separate problem solving from public confrontation. This increases cooperation. Cooperation increases speed. Speed increases performance. Integration into planning systems, the highest level of leverage occurs when a supplier integrates you into raw material forecasting, capacity planning, investment decisions, expansion projections, and that point, you are no longer an external buyer. You are part of their system. Integrated buyers are protected during stress. That is structural leverage. Leverage is not something you demand. It is something you accumulate. American executives who understand manufacturing systems build quiet strength. They do not fight for priority. Priority becomes natural. And in global supply chains, structural integration will always outperform aggressive pressure. Thanks for watching my video today, my YouTube channel. Until next time.